so far so good, y'all. This is day one application. I planned on keeping my hair short as I got older because I think it's just something about it with that short hair. I can't describe that feeling, but it's just like, you know. Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday, March 8th. I cannot believe we're in March, and happy daylight savings time, y'all. I went to bed last night and almost forgot to change my clocks. Needless to say, we did, but I still overslept and missed church this morning. I could have kicked myself. But with everything going on with the family and my father-in-law still in the hospital/rehab center, our life has been lifing. Our schedules have been totally crazy. But anyway, good morning. I wanted to jump on in this video specifically just to kind of give you a hair update, because in the next 2 weeks, I'm getting my hair braided for our trip to the beach. And I'm really on a hair growth journey, y'all. This morning, I filmed a short of me conditioning my hair. This is using Camille Rose, and I use the Guava Slip Detangling Shampoo. And my conditioner is the same here, the Guava Slip Detangling Conditioner. I left it upstairs, y'all. I can grab it in a minute. And then, if you remember in my last vlog where I went to Walmart, and I've never tried Curl Love. I picked it up, and that's what's in my hair now. So I used the whole Camille Rose line, Curl Love leave-in conditioner, and I used my Camille Rose Curl Maker. Now, if you remember, Curl Maker for me, it was pretty much out of my routine. I was like frustrated. It wasn't doing what it used to do on my hair. But this is my fourth big chop, and I think it's how I was applying it, and I'm hoping for an excellent result using Curl Love. But so far, so good, y'all. This is day one application. I filmed a short this morning with the conditioner in it. I am on a grow out challenge, and my hair is flourishing, y'all. I did my fourth big chop in June of 2025, and it is really growing, y'all. I have recently embraced shrinkage. I was not the biggest wash and go girl. I was always a twist out girl, still will be when my hair grows out, but this is a grow out challenge, and I was very impressed. And I'll link the short that will probably go first before this. I'll link this short and then tie it to this video. But anyway, I washed it, applied all the products, and y'all, this is still wet, but I'm hoping this is a win. I'm hoping it is, y'all. This is it, and my hair is growing so fast, and I am on a different challenge, which it'll end on March 16th, because I go and get my hair braided on March 17th, and the braids will be in for at least 4 to 6 weeks, probably 6 weeks, or if I get tired of them. But I'm hoping definitely with oiling my scalp later in the process and keeping my hair very healthy and moisturized, which is why I co-wash every single day for hair growth. I used to do the no manipulation challenges, but when I cut my hair, this is the fourth time I follow the same process. I co-wash using my favorite conditioner, usually not expensive ones. I use Suave to co-wash daily. And then if I choose to style my hair, if I'm going somewhere, because you know I work from home, so I don't style too much during the week. But if I'm going somewhere, I'll use the products. And Camille Rose has been the winner this month. Yes, y'all, let me turn around the back, but this is the side. I'm hoping it doesn't frizz. As you can see, and I showed you earlier in this video, it's a rainy day here, as you saw earlier. But we're gonna go to breakfast, and then we're gonna watch our church service on demand a little later. But this is the hair, y'all. And I wanted to share with you my routine going out. You won't see a lot of hair videos because my hair will be braided. But it will probably be braided also in July, because we're going to California for our anniversary / my husband's 50th birthday. So let me show you the hair, y'all. This video, I don't want it to be too long, but I just wanted to do some hair talk and let you know what's going on. But this is it, y'all. And as you can see, I'm always in the kitchen, and please excuse Layla. She comes down here on camera when I am doing something and wants to walk around, okay? She was fine earlier upstairs. But this is the back. Let me make sure. And then the side, I'll show you this side. I'm getting mixed up. But yeah, looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. and it feels good. I do think I'm going to like this combination. I was trying to spritz my hair when I rinsed the conditioner out, just the Guave Slip Conditioner. And my hair tends to get dry, so I had my water bottle up there, so I was spritzing it. I made sure to get all that curl love really massaged into my hair, especially the ends where it tends to frizz. So I did that, y'all, and I'm thinking I love the consistency with Curl Maker this time around, because usually when I mix it with, like, say, Aunt Jackie's leave-in, the quench leave-in, I get flakes. So I'm praying that I don't get flakes with this one, but we will see. Since I'm on an everyday, a co-wash challenge, I will, since I've applied these products in and they're not the cheapest products, I want to get a few days in this, so I may not co-wash every day this week. Maybe try to get, let's see, today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe co-wash Thursday through the rest of the days up until my braiding. Because I do want to co-wash, because I really am on a very stringent, very aggressive hair growth challenge. I appreciate every phase of hair growth, but I was at one point, if you remember on some of my previous videos, I planned on keeping my hair short as I got older, because I think it's just something about it with that short hair. I can't describe that feeling, but it's just like, you know, it's just fire to me. But I decided, though, I miss my high puffs, my low puffs. I just miss longer hair. You know, on bad hair days, I could throw on a hat, have it in a low puff. It's just a lot with it. So after much consideration, I am on a hair growth journey and looking forward to it. So I will take you along with this journey, but I wanted just to let you know that I will have braids come mid-March. And then I'll take them out, do a length check, and then I'll probably be putting them in soon around end of June. So we shall see, y'all. But I hope you're having a great day. But let me just show you one more time. But I have really enjoyed my hair growth journey so far. It's really fun experimenting with different products this time around, because what worked for me in the first big chop did not work for me in the fourth, okay? Sorry, y'all, I had to let Layla out. But yes, but this is it. Let me know in the comment section, what is your hair care regimen? Whether it's short, TWA, whether you rock long, big hair, because I cannot wait to get back to that. But let me know what products are just working for you lately. But I am hoping that Camille Rose comes through this time, because I was really, really heartbroken when Curl Maker didn't work for me last time. But it's really about trial and error. The right combos makes a huge difference. So hopefully this will be a win. I used all Camille Rose products, which I will list in the description box. But y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, welcome. My name is T. We do everything here. It's not just natural hair, but I do plan on doing a lot of updates coming up, but it's lifestyle over 50. I work from home, so I'll show those type of vlogs. Natural hair, as you can see, just motivation, inspiration for women over 50, over 40, whatever, you're welcome. But I haven't completely niched down here, but it's along those lines. Over 50 women, motivation, spiritual journey. We are Christians and we love God, so all glory to Him. So if that interests you, please subscribe and like this video for more content. But thank you guys for stopping by, and have a blessed week.